Hey there, mate. So just a quick video, little run through to show you how to keep us access to your business manager. So if you don't already know, just jump over to business.facebook.com and you should, if you've already logged in, come to a page like this. If not, you just need to log in and it'll take you through to something similar to this. So then you might only have one business manager for Strider, you might have a personal one, whatever it might be, but so I'll use the GMS online training as an example for you. So I click through to the business manager. I jump up here and go across to business settings. Once I hit business settings, it'll take me through to my BM settings page. And you'll see something similar to this. So you want to click up here on users people, and you can just type in either mine or give it to Matthew, so Matthew at growthmarketingsystems.com, and then make sure you flick this admin there. Hit next, and then that should give him shoot him an invite to join. And then from there, what he'll do is add GMS as an agency as a partner. So we won't have a full access to everything. We'll be able to run ads. But why Matt needs the business manager settings is he needs to be able to access your pixel here, because he gets the pixel. The pixel is what we use to track everything, and he will need that access to be able to integrate the pixel to your dynamic product catalog as well as your Shopify store. So everything is kind of connected up and integrated together. So he can do that, and then, I mean, if you want, you can remove him out of admin rights, and then we can just keep it as a partner with GMS, whatever you're up to. I know some clients prefer to have control of everything and don't want to give admin access, but that's up to your discretion. You can do what you want. So from there, we can get stuff running and started, and just if you can shoot over the Google Drive as well with any assets and any documentation or any imagery, videos, and that sort of thing that we can use to put towards our ads, that'd be great. But any questions there, mate, let me know, and I look forward to chatting soon. Thank you.